Studying is full of stress. Teachers are never satisfied. There's a lot of homework to do, and you're always short of time before your exams. Watch this video to learn a few awesome ideas of how to make stress-relieving school supplies. Studying can wear you out. What a nice dream. Oh, what's going on? Miss Smith's broken into my dream? She shouts at me. Hey, Miss Smith, stop it. My dream is my property. You can't barge in like that. But the teacher turns into a real monster. Ah! Oh my God, I've had a nightmare. I should hurry up and go to school. I don't want Miss Smith to become as furious as she used to be in my dream. I'm barely in time for my classes. Phew! And my friend is absolutely calm. Does she study Zen? What's she looking at? A window? What's so interesting about it? The math teacher doesn't like our gazing at the view from the window. The exact sciences don't include contemplating nature. She sneaks up. She turns our heads to the notebooks. Stop staring at boys passing by. Oh, yes, studying is a big stress. Oops, it seems I've forgotten my comb. It's great my friends got a set of anti-stress school supplies. Let's start with a pocket aquarium. Cut out a paper circle. Put it on a thick plastic pocket or a sheet protector. Cut out with allowance. Sandwich it between folded in half baking paper. Attach the pocket with a flat iron. It makes the plastic melt so that the edges seal. Be sure there's a little hole in the pocket. Remove the paper template through it. Trace another piece of clear plastic. Outline fish and other sea animals. Paint them using nail polishes. Don't stick to the outline. When dry, cut them out. Put the figures into the plastic pocket and add some glitter. Pour in liquid soap into the middle. Let the air out and seal the edges using a flat iron. Trace the template on your notebook cover. Attach the aquarium using double-sided tape and hot glue. Cut out a ring-shaped felt frame. Attach it to your notebook to get a porthole. Add black dots using a marker. The screws in the porthole make it look real. They say water makes you calm. It does, especially when there's a piece of the sea on your notebook. If you're not excited with fish, make a whole stress-relieving factory. I take out my interactive notebook. There's a lot of stuff on it. Hot glue 2 buttons and a switch that doesn't work anymore. Thread a few cubes or beads on a piece of cord. Attach 2 felt squares to the ends of the string. Hot glue a strip of Velcro below. Attach a piece of felt on top. You can click, crack, crunch, move the cubes, and make your teacher crazy. Miss Smith reacts sharply to sounds. She's too nervous because of a long teaching practice. We're just clicking with a pen, Miss Smith. Don't worry. Oh God, it seems Miss Smith's having a nervous breakdown. Oh, our stress relievers cause Miss Smith's stress. It's time for a soft remedy. This fluffy pink kitten can calm down anyone and relieve any stress. Let's turn an old pencil case into a cute little kitten. We'll need pink yarn. Wrap it around a ruler to cover the case length. Squeeze a strip of hot glue across the case. Attach the ruler edge. Cut out the thread across the other edge. Repeat several times to cover the entire surface. The pencil case has turned fluffy. Cut out felt ears. Add other details of a kitten face, eyelashes, a nose, a mouth, and the middle of ears. Attach face details to the pencil case. Done! We give the cutie to our nervous teacher. Oh, Miss Smith looks happy. Be careful not to turn into a crazy cat lover. How sweet! Miss Smith pets her cat Pencil and feels her stress fade away. until she hears our soothing ruler rustle. Take a ruler and clear tubes of the same length. Seal one end of the tube with hot glue. Put in sequins and seed beads. Hot glue the other end. Attach the tube to the ruler. Put sprinkles into another tube. Hot glue next to the first one. The sound of rustling makes Miss Smith angry. Hey, it's no noise, but an instrument of rain music. Miss Smith appreciated the ruler. She takes it for herself, giving her ordinary ruler to me. Miss Smith's too excited by the rustling ruler. We hope it'll take a hypnotic effect. Will she forget about the test? Impressed with our cool ideas, Miss Smith wants to try it herself. She's going to make the coolest anti-stress school supply. The teacher uses the tools so efficiently. It seems she teaches arts and crafts instead of math. A masterpiece is going to appear. There are a few finishing touches left. Attention! Here's a folder. Take 2 plastic zipped folders. Cut out double-sided foam tape into several pieces. Stick them inside the folder. Make sure you attach them evenly in somewhat of a checker pattern. Mix salt and glitter. Put it in the folder. Attach the second blank folder to the patterned one. You can put your school supplies in it. Miss Smith is proud of her DIY. Be sure to patent it to be the only owner of the production technology. The folder is awesome, but the girls have something better. A slime pen. You'll need hair gel. Add clear stationery glue and about 1/3 of the gel. Add a little borax. Mix until you get a slime consistency. Put in a little glitter. The slime is ready. Now, make a pen barrel. Take a glitter tube container. Heat and all. Make a hole in the bottom. Put in a refill. Cut off the excess to fit the tube size. Tuck the slime in and put on the top. Hot glue a fluffy pom-pom to the top. You can use the slime pen to entertain your friend during class. It stretches excellent and smells good. Its magic power doesn't let Miss Smith be angry with us. We want Miss Smith to know we love her. We're going to make a special present for her. You'll need an ordinary notebook. Attach a printed out rainbow colored sheet to the cover. Apply a paraffin coat on top. Just rub the picture with a candle. Paint it using black gouache. Don't mix it with water. Make sure to apply a thick and smooth coat. Wait until dry. Take an orange stick or a wooden skewer. Scratch any outline on the black cover. The paraffin coat is peeled off, letting a rainbow writing appear. Scratch a message for your teacher. Let her know you appreciate her job. Miss Smith takes the notebook and sees our message. She's happy. Love is the best stress reliever, whatever they say. The kind and generous teacher lets us go home. Hooray! We can forget about classes. It's time to have rest and fun. Did you like our weird school supplies? What do you usually do to relieve your stress? Which ideas will you use now? Write in your comments which DIYs help you make your studying easier. Be sure to subscribe. Give your thumb.
Do it! Prank wars, beauty hacks, magic tricks, we got your back. Tips, bring it in. You'll never be bored again. Slime, DIY, always a new surprise. The channel that will blow your mind.